Nothing like a nice hot chocolate by the fire at Christmas. But what about when you're on keto? This hot chocolate is keto. It has 0 sugar in it and it tastes absolutely brilliant. Oh, delicious. Really, really nice. So you don't have to miss out over Christmas. You can have a really nice hot chocolate, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so we have our saucepan. The first most important part of this is 100% cocoa, natural unsweetened cocoa. I'm using Hershey's, which is quite common in the States, but over here in the UK not as common. I'll put a link down below to the where you can pick it up on Amazon for a really good price. 0 sugars in this, and it calls for 2 tablespoons, and then we're going to do a single tablespoon of a sugar alternative, a keto friendly sugar alternative. This one here I'll link below on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you could use stevia or anything like that, but this one is really good. Mix all that together. The dry mix. So we want 300 ml of water in this. I've misplaced my jug, so we have a protein shaker, which, as you know, has the ounces or millilitres on the side. So that's how we're measuring our water. First thing we want to do is put a little bit of that water, not much at all, as you can see there, into that mix. Try and get it all into a paste. Now we're going to put some heat under that now. Medium to low, so on my scale I'm putting it on a 5 on these little hobs. Just going to keep that moving. And we want to add to that 60 millilitres of double cream. Unfortunately the measure I've got is either 100 or 15, so we're going to have to do 4 of these little 15s. Okay, so 60 ml of that. And then what we're going to do is put the rest of our water in. So totaling 300 millilitres of water in total. Just keep that moving around. Keep it on a medium heat until it gets hot enough to serve. We can attempt to serve it up without spilling it. Quite a bit in there. Could probably get 2 cups out of that. That's quite a large cup. Now we have our hot chocolate ready to serve. This is my second one today. Absolutely loving these hot chocolates. It's going to keep you going all over Christmas, keep you sticking to the diet. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it helps you. Let me know how you're doing your keto Christmas in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.